Hey guys, Kim Wolf here with affiliatemarketinginformant.com. This is my InstaCommissions review by this guy named Jamie Lewis in the hammock here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through what this program does. I'm going to jump in the actual platform and show you behind the scenes. And I'm going to take you through a few things that you want to watch out for. Basically his history. Will these actually work? Will they do what they say they're going to do? And do you need it or not? This video helps you out in any way, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and definitely comment below and let me know where you are in your affiliate marketing journey and if you would buy this product. So the promise of this product is traffic, basically internal sources that Jamie Lewis has bought for his own internal people. So I'm going to show you inside, but some things to watch out for are, making sales on autopilot. Nothing comes these days without any work. Brand new for October 19th. Everyone says this. There's nothing new at this point. And the really interesting things here are 365-day guarantees, and they'll actually pay you if you don't get paid. I've yet to see those come through, but you can certainly give it a try if you want. So one thing I find interesting, if you scroll all the way down the very bottom of the page through all of this, promising you the world, right, with no work, easy peasy, step 1, 2, 3. But I want you to come all the way down here. I thought this was interesting. So at the very bottom of the page, it's got two people on here. They're apparently both named Jamie Lewis, even though they look different. But this guy's real name is David Kirby. So here it's Jamie Lewis and Jamie Lewis. Here it's Jamie Lewis and David Kirby. Just FYI, you want to look out for little things like that. This name should have been changed and it hasn't. So now we're inside of InstaCommissions, and when you land in here, you're going to land on the dashboard. You're going to hear this video. This is Jamie Lewis introducing you to the platform. Let me play a little bit for you. This is what you're going to find interesting.
Hey guys, this is Jamie Lewis. Welcome to InstaCommissions, and I'm going to tell you straight up, this might be the last video you ever have to watch in regards to affiliate marketing, internet marketing, making money online.
Okay, so that starts off fine and dandy, right? And you think, okay, he's really going to tell you something. Right. So he eventually starts talking about deer hunting and comparing affiliate marketing to deer hunting and you being a deer hunter and that you need to go out and get some meat. Let me play that for you.
The first thing I'm going to do before I get into technical stuff and saying, Jamie, when you're saying, Jamie, tell me exactly what to do, right? All good. In this very video, I'm going to do that. But before I do that, the philosophy of you are a hunter is very, very necessary for this lesson. You are a hunter, okay? You're a deer hunter, all right? The point is to bring back food for your family. If you don't have food, you die.
Okay, so you buy InstaCommissions for the price it's at, and you get the welcome video, and he talks about deer hunting. Now, Jamie Lewis is known for just being sort of wild and different, and that's what he's known for. That's gotten him the buzz and probably the sales that he's gotten. So walking you through the platform, what it is 3 different traffic sources, which he calls internal traffic sources. You come here. The idea is that you have these 3 different places to actually use to get traffic. Honestly, in most cases, these are not going to work. They're not going to be what you think they're going to be. When you look at these traffic sources and what they are, they're really not for the long term. You can buy this product, you might make a few $100s, you might make some money, but it's not going to be for long term. For the marketplace, the things to look out for when you come in here is that the idea is that you can come in here and you can actually post listings you can post your affiliate offers. So really what he wants you to do is to promote his offers. So he's got it in here to where you can actually hook up his affiliate offers and promote them. But if you look at the dates listed, people have been coming in and promoting this, but this was back in March. The video is being made October 19th of 2020. And so you're talking about 6 months ago, these people were using the software. So the question is who is going to see this if people haven't been posting in here since March? And is this really going to work? But supposedly your listings show here. So you click on this and this is where your listing is going to show. Once again, the dates are old. There's no sort of current frequent postings. which is pretty interesting. So let's click on this. We'll go to sell and wait. Okay, so if you go to sell, that's an upsell. Well, that's interesting. So now let me go back to where I was. All right. So don't push the sell button because you leave the marketplace and you go somewhere else. All right, so we don't want to watch that again. So going back to the traffic sources, the expired domains, the idea behind this is that you're going to actually buy old domains. They cost about $10 each. Sometimes typically for like .com addresses, sometimes you might get some .info ones for about $2. But at the end of the day, the strategy is to come here and buy domain names about $10 each and bank on the traffic that they have. So you get a domain name, you forward it to a website that you build, a landing page, and you have an affiliate offer. And the idea is when someone types this in or comes across an index page in a search engine with this domain and they go to it, since it's expired, if you can buy it and forward the traffic, the idea is that you will get the siphoned traffic. The reality is this won't last forever. Google will eventually figure it out if the domain has expired and you send it to a page that is not relevant to the domain. They're eventually going to figure that out. They're going to stop the page ranking and the traffic is going to stop. So you can come here and buy as many as you want. 10 domains at $10, that's $100. 20 domains at $10, that's $200. So you can see how this can kind of be expensive and you're going to be in that domino effect because this is not a long-lasting strategy. It is a popular strategy with some affiliate marketers that do like to ride the wave. But honestly, if you're just a beginner, this is kind of complicated. It's complex. It requires you to stay on it and it requires you to keep investing and investing. So I personally do not recommend this strategy, even though it's a really popular thing that affiliate marketers are recommending to do today. All right, going back to traffic sources, this last one is called Traffic Jacker. So the idea is that you put your Facebook tracking pixel, or you can even put your Google tracking pixel in here. And your pixel will be added to the thank you pages of InstaCommissions. So when someone buys it and gets thank you pages, you will be able to capture that audience. That audience will be built in the either Facebook or Google, wherever your pixel is. And the idea is you can create ads and create lookalike audiences with the people that you've built on your pixel and target those people with your ads. So it's a way of building a list with similar people that may be interested in your offer on Facebook. That requires money. So this is also a paid venture, even though the idea is that it allows you to build an audience using InstaCommissions sort of traffic. You can build a lookalike audience that you could target and pay for. So that's really the bulk of the product. You do have a video tutorials training area. It's mostly on deer hunting, and you have a quick walkthrough of the platform, and then the other videos are mostly around the domain buying. At the end of the day, if you buy through there, this platform, he probably has an affiliate link on it, so he probably makes commissions off the domains you buy through here. That's pretty common. Everything else is, he doesn't really this is forwarding. So it's all around the domain strategy, which is, you've got the other two strategies, and there's not a lot of training on that. You do have this campaign filter. Supposedly you can build campaigns. This is where you can link his affiliate offers. So every time you promote Jamie, you get a commission, and then he obviously gets a product sell. The one thing I want to show you is that you need to be aware of. He actually has a long list of product launches, so you can scroll here. There's probably a good 30 or 40 different products. The one you are looking at right here is under David Kirby, but yet it's also Jamie Lewis, and they've got a few more scheduled for the rest of the year. So they do release a lot of different products. If you come into Warrior Plus, where these products are sold, basically, so if you were to buy the product, you would come to Warrior Plus page. The products don't actually get very high ratings. They're typically around the 2.5 mark. What's interesting is the different products are under different names. So InstaCommissions, which is the product for sale right now, is under Affiliate Shortcut. But you have other products, so there are, 5 products here that are under this Jamie Lewis. Once again, you get about 2.68 ratings, which means this is okay, so not real high ratings. And then you have this third account where there's 9 products, about 2 ratings. So because he's basically account hopping, that's typically not a good sign. None of these profiles have any information, so they're typically getting bad complaint, they may be getting closed, and so they just create account over account over account. Not really a good sign that you want to follow. So back into the platform again. Other few tools that you have are, so this is another traffic option: Craigslist, Facebook fan page, Udemy, Bing ads, Google ads, traffic for me. So most of these are paid sources. This is solo ads, this is Bing ads, Google ads. Facebook fan page, you can create a Facebook fan page. However, if you don't have any traffic, you're not going to get any traffic. If you do not have any followers on Facebook, you're not going to have any traffic. If you look above or below, check out this link for the post created for you to teach you the honest truth about social media and what these Warrior Plus and JVZoo product launchers don't want you to know about social media. They promise you a lot of hype with social media, but it doesn't deliver because you need to do work on those media platforms in order for it to have any traffic and actually work. Craigslist, who uses Craigslist today? But these are in here if you want to go down that rabbit lane. There's a graphic editor in here. Not really sure why you would use that, but sure, it looks like pretty much like a Canva. It is kind of a shiny object, but I guess the idea is that you can create your graphics to include on your campaigns. Back in the platform, this is another tool, which is a article rewriter, so you can paste copy in here and it will spin it. It's not real clear on where you're going to put this. I guess you could put it in a Craigslist. Eventually, those networks and those traffic options are going to ban you. If you spam those accounts, they're absolutely going to ban you. They're not going to tolerate that for very long. Then you've got custom offers, so you can actually request to promote his products. Once again, you saw his reputation of products on Warrior Plus. We're going to hit the back button here. And these in the orange, these are going to be the upsells for you. So if you buy the front end offer starting at $16.95 and it's on a dime sale, so every sale it goes up a little bit, you will get these options here, these products. And if you continue to buy the upsells, you will get these additional products here. To be totally honest with you, you really don't need this. This is not going to last you very long. Once again, you may get some traffic immediately, but you're going to come through here and you're going to spend more time chasing these traffic options and buying more domains and spending money on ads than you really are going to get success. Not the preferred strategy. If you want to learn honest ways to make money online, definitely check out my link below. And if this video helps you out in any way, definitely don't forget to like, subscribe, and sign up to my channel, and definitely comment below the video. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.